It's very, very important. Number one, you have to say, okay, this is the question I've been given. So here I've got to the power a fraction. Remember this denominator, the denominator itself, this 3 is the root, So meaning that after I write the square root like this, I put this 3 here to be a root, and 8 there, and 27 there. I close the bracket, and of course to the power 2. Where is it coming from? It is coming from the indices law, which says if you have got a over b to the power, then they say n over n. This is the thing. You have to put it like this. This is a law whereby this n becomes there, and this m, a, and b should be in under the root to the power m. So this is where it is coming from. So if you know how to interpret this won't give you a problem. I'm saying it is coming from indices law or laws of indices, where they are telling us that a over b to the power m over n, where this denominator is the root. When you write the square root, you put here the n. So now how do we answer this question? You ask yourself, you say, okay, what is the cube root of 8? So we are saying the cube root of 8, it is a 2, over the cube root of 27, it is a 3 to the power 2. So this simply means 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. That's what it means. You agree with me that 2 times 2, it will be a 4, and of course 3 times 3, it will be a 9. So please, you can say, I hope you have enjoyed it. This is how we answer this question. There is no need of us reducing to the lowest term already. There is no common factor which can go into 4 and 9 without giving us a remainder. Please, let's see you do that. So I don't expect you to fail such a question. Now, in an event that the same question, if this is my A, my B, they say evaluate, then they put a question like this. They say to the power negative 2 over 3. I've now introduced the negative. How do we do it? We are saying the first thing is, I don't want this negative. So now for me to remove this negative, I've circled. How do you do it? This 27 comes on top, 8 becomes at the bottom, and then I'll have 2 to the power 3. You can see that now the negative has disappeared. How? I just reciprocate the base. I've reciprocated the base, meaning that the 27 goes up, the 8 comes down, the negative disappears. So this is how we do it, whereby we are saying what we are going to do now is that you have to write what I told you. The denominator is always the root. So it comes like this. Again, here you ask yourself, the cube root of that is 3. The cube root of 27 is 3. The cube root of 8 is 2. And then you do it like this. And of course, you agree with me that it will be 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. And 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. Please don't leave your answer like this. 4 goes there 1 time, 2 times, sorry. 2 goes there 2 times, remainder 1 over 4. So it means you have answered. Leave your answer in a mixed fraction than in an improper fraction. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this evaluation. Now, apart from this,